Hey there, I'm Scott David. You're watching Designing Spaces. Today on the show, we're talking about metal roofing. We're here in beautiful sunny South Florida, teamed up with our partners from Fabral Metal Wall and Roof Systems to take you through an education on understanding and exploring the benefits of a metal roof. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Joni Moss. I live in this home with my 2 daughters, my husband, my 2 dogs. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. When we bought the house 3 years ago, we did have a couple concerns about the roof. And we started to get a couple of leaks, so we knew eventually it was going to be time to replace it. I wasn't really too familiar with metal roofing. Being an older neighborhood, a ton of roofs were going on, and some of them were metal, some of them were tile, but I wanted to know more. I wanted to learn about the pros and the cons of metal roofing.
Metal roofing is gaining popularity amongst homeowners because when you compare it to your traditional asphalt or tile roof, metal roofing can last up to 40 years or longer, whereas your traditional asphalt roof would need to be replaced every 15 to 20 years. Metal roofing is also energy efficient for summer and winter months, as well as environmentally friendly. It can be recycled at the end of its useful life and is made from recycled material. Lastly, adding a metal roof to your home can dramatically increase the curb appeal of your home.
Hey, Trice.
Hey, Scott.
Trice is the contractor replacing the roof on Jonelle's house. Trice, talk to me a little bit about some of the benefits of a metal roof system.
So the main benefit is going to be the longevity,
Okay.
the durability that it provides, and the wind resistance.
Gotcha.
They're very low maintenance, so once the installation is done, you really don't have to think about your roof much
Okay.
more.
So it makes it easier for the homeowner.
Absolutely.
Talk to me, I've heard a couple times there's a lightning concern because it's metal. I mean, is that a myth, a misconception a lot of homeowners have?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
We've been installing metal roofs and roofs in general for over 30 years down here, and we have not seen anything that will attest to that being any truth.
So another thing I've noticed, you've got all these different types of materials on these houses. A lot of homeowners seem to have this other misconception that they have to stick with what they've got. So if they've got a tile or an asphalt shingle that they can't change to something like a metal roof. Is that also a misconception that's open for a homeowner to make a difference or a change in their?
Yes, it is. And it depends on different association requirements, but from a just pure standpoint of changing your roof material, they can absolutely have the option of changing to a metal roof during a re-roof process.
Fabral was founded in 1967 in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and is widely considered one of the benchmark manufacturers for metal roof and wall systems. With 8 manufacturing facilities across the United States, Fabral is ready to service any metal roof or wall system project you have. Our color visualizer allows homeowners to go to our website, upload a picture of their own home, or choose from some stock photography, and really visualize the possibilities of a new metal roof on their home. From there, they can pick between products and colors and have confidence in their selection.
Jonelle made a great choice going with the Fabral metal roof system. Not only is it going to make the house look great, but it's going to provide tremendous amount of peace of mind. It's also not something she's going to have to think about replacing for a very long time. A metal roof system like this can outlast traditional asphalt or tile roofs for years and years to come.
So I met with the homeowner and we discussed all of her options from going from a tile roof to a metal roof. We discussed all the color selections that she had available to her, the benefits of going with the metal roof, and then once everything was decided, we went ahead and moved forward with the permitting process, which we took care of. Once everything was approved, we came out, we removed the existing tile roof, checked the structure to make sure that everything was sound and ready to start laying the underlayment. And once the underlayment was finished and nailed down, we started installing the metal panels to complete the roof.
Fabral's color visualizer was a really cool tool. I got to upload a picture of my home, and then from there I got to choose different colors, different patterns to put on the actual picture of my home and see what it was going to turn out like.
Fabral metal roofs not only offer homeowners protection for 40+ years from the elements, they're also backed by a 30-year paint warranty protecting against chalking and fading. No matter if your project is big or small, a Fabral metal roof has you covered. Homeowners should have confidence that putting a metal roof on their house should stand the test of time.
We love the way our metal roof turned out. It really adds a modern, sleek look to our home.
To learn more about how you can choose the right metal roof system for you, visit Fabral.com or you can check us out at designingspaces.tv.